Number 6. The amount of money, M, in dollars, Paul earns can be represented by the equation M equal to 12.5 times H plus 11, where H is the number of hours Paul works. Which of the following is the best interpretation of the number 11 in the equation? What does this 11 represent? Let's evaluate each answer choice. A. The amount of money in dollars Paul earns each hour. Well, if we look at this, 12.5 times H, this amount is multiplied by the number of hours that Paul works. 11 cannot be the amount of money he earns each hour because it is 12.5. So it cannot be A. B. The total amount of money in dollars Paul earns after working 8 hours. If we look at the equation or the text, there is no restriction or condition about that saying that he'll earn more money or less if he works certain amount of hours. So it cannot be B. And C, the total amount of money in dollars Paul earns after working for 1 hour. So again, just as this one is the same as B. For 1 hour or each hours, we do not have any condition that says that he'll earn more or less. It cannot be C. And finally D, the amount of money in dollars Paul earns in addition to an hourly wage. We know that this is the hourly wage. So he earns $11 additionally to the hourly wage. The right answer is D. Number 7. We have this table with 5 countries and the population for each country in millions. The table gives the population of the 5 largest countries in the European Union for the year 2014. Which of the following is the closest to the mean population of these countries? So we have to find the mean. And what do we do to find the mean? We need to calculate the average. And how do we calculate the average? We have to add all of these populations, these 5s, and then divide it by the number of countries we have. In this case is 5. So let's do that. So first let's add the decimal part. 9 plus 8 is 17, plus 8 is 25, plus 5 is 30, plus 3 is 33. So we have 3 and we carry a 3 because it's 33. Now we add 3 plus 5, which is 8, plus 0 will be 8, plus 6 is 14, plus 4 is 18. We carry a 1. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 8 is 15. Plus 6 is 21. Plus 4 is 25. Plus 6 is 31. We don't have to carry here the 3 since it's the last number. And now we have a decimal point. So we just add 1 place for the decimal part. and this is millions because we have to keep the unit. Now we divide this 318.3 million by the number of countries we have, which is 5. Now, which number multiplied by 5 is less or equal than 31? 6, because 6 times 5 is 30, and we'll have 1 left. We write the 8 and the rest. Now, which number multiplied by 5 is less or equal than 18? 3. 5 times 3 is 15, so we have 3 left, because 18 minus 15 is 3, and we copy the decimal, 0.3. Now, since 3 is smaller than 5, we'll add a point, and we'll delete this point. Now we multiply. Now, which number multiplied by 5 is less or equal than 33? Again, 6. 5 times 6 is 30. And if we want to continue, we could add a 0. And what number multiplied by 5 is equal to 30? 6. So we cancel out that. And that's the end of our division. Now, since the hundreds is bigger than 5, we can round the tens. So 63.66 can be 63.7. And if we look at the answer choices, the right answer is C. 63.7 million is the mean population of these 5 countries. Number 8, which of the following fractions is equivalent to minus 6 minus negative 9 divided by 8? Now, negative times negative becomes positive. Positive 9 divided by 8. Now, negative 6 plus 9 is positive 3 divided by 8. We cannot simplify, so that's the answer, 3 divided by 8. The right answer is B.